In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Zendesk. Tags are incredibly useful for organizing your tickets, making it easier for your team to categorize, search, and manage customer inquiries. By utilizing tags, you can enhance your support efficiency and ensure that all team members can quickly find and process their tickets. So let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, we need to head over to the settings section in Zendesk. This is where we'll start our journey in creating new tags. Think of the settings as your command center, where you can adjust configurations to tailor the system to your specific needs. Look for the settings icon, typically found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on it will navigate you to a variety of settings options. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll need to scroll through the list and find the section labeled Tags. Tags are a critical component for sorting and making sense of the flood of data you might receive daily. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the familiar label that reads Tags. Once you find it, go ahead and click on this section. This click will open up your tag management interface, allowing you to view, edit, and create new tags. Now that you're in the tag section, look for a button that says New Tag. This button is usually prominent and easy to spot once you're in the right menu. Clicking on New Tag is your next step towards creating a customized label that fits your requirements. By clicking it, you're directing Zendesk to prepare a new blank tag entry for you to fill out. With the new tag entry open, you're now ready to create your tag. At this point, you have the freedom to choose a label that